guys, what is up? It is YouTube Squad here, and we're going to change my skin to Illuminati like last video, but only this is cool, okay guys? So over on our right side, we have Slither.io and all the other stuff down, like on Spawn and all that stuff, right? Well, let's do this. Ready? When I press play on Spawn, it's going to be something really cool. Listen. And as you can hear them stab, that's when I eat, okay? Now watch when I die, but I'm not gonna try to die. Insta-kill! That's what happens when I die. Now when I eat the fireflies, sorry guys, I just had to eat some food. Oh yeah, stab. But it does not have a mini map on this hack, so you cannot. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Can I please just give me my heart? Extras. Zoom snapping. Display. I have no idea what all this is. Auto respawn. Colors. Show. That's cool. Wait for a second. Hey, what's up, Jeffler? Colors. What is this? Oh yeah. They're all mustaches now. They can all be nuclear. Wait, no, not bubbles. Nuclear. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. Hey. Whoa. Hey, huge, not huge, but big. Hey, somebody that died over here. We're getting pretty on this. Get out of here. Yeet. Yeet. That's cool. Hold on. Not too bad. What just happened? Oh yeah, I put on auto spawn. Not today. I put on auto spawn so it spawns by itself. Yeah, I forgot about that. It scared me for a second. I'm like, what happened? But I did die. Insta-kill! alright? So it's not the boom, 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 all like choppy, alright? But new high score. Anything else? Like 21. I don't know. Illuminati confirmed. It looks cool when you like do this. Like I said in the last video. Let's go and eat. On death, is there anything else? Oh, 21. And I just want to die real quick, see what 21 sounds like. 21? What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Hey! Hey, oh snap, I gotta get one of those. Oh, didn't expect that to happen, but then again it did. Everybody knows not to mess with me. Everybody knows not to mess with me. Okay, everybody knows not to mess with me. Hold up, let me get that. Oh, it's a whip when I eat it. Why is it a whip? I want it to be whip. I want it to be
21.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Hey, I gotta stop dying. Let's go kill this Pop-Tart dude. Oh, never mind. We just killed a guy right here. Let me get some of this. And then we're gonna kill somebody. We're gonna kill somebody. Fuck you, me, bye. Yo, I look like one of those gingerbread dudes. Hey, bye. Yeah, let's kill this green emoji face dude. Never mind. Emoji! Yay. Killed him. If anyone takes my food, I will kill them. Oh, you took my food, huh? I have to kill you now. I have to kill you now. I have to kill you now. $21. Oh, get wrecked! Get wrecked! Everybody, get wrecked in here. I keep thinking that confirmed sign right there is a different snake, so I'd like kind of back off. 21. I will now circle you for the land of all time. Never mind. I will now zoom. And
21.
oh, yeah, that's great. That's great.
21.
Well, guys, hope you had a good one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Comment. See how you like the video. Like I said, shout out to everybody. My friends, Gamer Squad. And also Cookies21.
21.
Hey. Alright, guys. Bye.